So every gutter install is just a little bit different. You can see they've got hangers going up underneath the shingles, up underneath the ice and water. We're gonna have to clip these away, install new hangers to put our gutter RX system on here. Each side's a little bit different. To show you a little bit of an overview over here, you can see how nice and straight and tight that brings that gutter. This gutter was deformed. If I had to guess, I'd probably say 10, 12 years old. It's been banged up, hit with limbs. You can see a cross section over here where we haven't installed it yet. What it does, this gutter secures to the front out here, and then also gets screwed into that back, and it pulls it nice and tight and stiffens that back up. So like I said, that's probably one of the best parts about this gutter cap, is you can retrofit existing gutters, straighten them all out, snug them back up, and definitely extend the life of your existing system.